Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Guess what, you guys? Somebody sent me a happy mail and it's Friday, May the 8th, and it's from a good friend, Miss Luisa. My crafty supplier. It's not a D-stash. This is a happy mail and I'm so excited. I was not expecting this. This crazy lady. I love her so much. Of course, everybody knows I love Luisa. But let's get into this. This is such a good surprise to the day I hurt my back. Yeah, this is some happy mail. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Luisa. This is crazy. I just need to take a really quick picture for somebody to know that it got here. And oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, this lady. What in the world? Louisa! Oh my god, I got goosebumps, you guys. Oh my goodness. What did she do? Oh my god. Louisa. Girl, you didn't have to do this. But look at this beauty right here. I'm going for it. I'm going straight for it. This is her memory dex card, guys. Look at this beauty. I just saw her make this. Oh my god, Luisa. Girlfriend. Oh, you're too freaking cute. It's the shaker. It's the shaker. Sunshine on my mind. And she's got the beautiful palm leaves. Look at this. She put the gold pen on it. You guys, look at that. All these gorgeous colors. Shaker. Ooh. This is so hard. This is so hard for me to like make a mix for shakers. I make shakers, but you know, Luisa is the queen of shaking color mixes. So perfect. This thing has a pocket. What in the world? I'm sorry. Let me just, this is too cute. I haven't even got into her little gift bag thingy and I'm like freaking out. This girl. Oh, look at her little note card. It's the flamingo. They're so cute. Oh. She said, just a few things to add to your crafty supplies. Feel free to share whatever you don't need. Hugs. Oh, Luisa. No more burnt fingers? What? What? Did I read that correctly? What? You guys, look. She put, let me get in here. This bag is too cute with the hollow. Oh my gosh. She made me a tassel. She made me a tassel, a tassel. Oh my. See, these are the things I need to find on Amazon. Like the bigger rings. Look at her hearts. I'm sorry, my hands are all messed up right now. Look at her tassel. Oh my god. I need to find the bigger rings and the lobster clasps. All of that good stuff. Look at what she did. Look at what she did. Luisa, great minds think alike. Now I have two in purple. Yes. Oh my god. This bag is stuffed. It's loaded. Oh my. I can't even begin. What? Oh my god. She already lets me play with her digital kits, guys. Okay? She lets me play with her digital kits. I'm just going to say it like that. She allows me to play with it. And I enjoy those kits. She did not have to do all this. Oh my gosh, she gave me some freaking memory dex cards. Are these the the one from your box? What? Luisa! Oh my god. This is so fun. She got me some pop dots. These are super chunky. What? You guys, look at this sucker. It's so super fat. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at how, let me show you. I'm not even exaggerating. This is Dollar Tree. You see this foam? This is like nothing. This is like a mattress right here. Oh my God. 1/2 inch thick. Dang, Luisa. Oh, hun, thank you so much. You did not have to do this. But I love you anyway. Oh my God, she got me some spoons. Yes, guys, these are handy dandy for mixing and getting your this right here, because I was using my fingers when I was first starting, and I saw Luisa's video where she was using these spoons. These are the like the dessert spoons in cocktail spoons in like Dollar Tree. In Dollar Tree, they have those big packs. It goes a long way. Oh, what? What? You, what? I'm trying my hardest to open this Ziploc. Oh my God. She just hauled this from Cartwright. You guys, can you see this butterfly? It's iridescent. Look, see? And it's orange in the back. It's huge. It's huge. Look at how big that is. Oh my gosh, Luisa. What? This is a freaking shaker kit. She gave me a shaker kit. She gave me her beautiful freaking card. And she gave me confetti. And guys, OMG. What? Look at these colors. Luisa. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. She is my freaking, yes. She got me the 3 different widths of foam. We don't have this at our Dollar Tree. Oh my God. You guys. She gave me the butterflies. What? Oh my God. My my freaking husband's gonna freak out. Look at this purple butterfly. It's the same as the orange, but it's purple. And then she has green. I love the purple. You guys, I'm crazy. You can call me crazy. She shared her spring mix with me. What? And the white. Oh my God, Luisa. I got goosebumps. Oh my God, Luisa. What? She got stars and moons. Oh my God, this lady. And there it is. Oh my God. She loves me. She don't want me to burn my fingers. Okay, my fingers might be a little too fat. We're gonna make it work. Work, damn it, work. Yes. Oh my God, Luisa. That's what you call looking out for a girl. We don't have this at our Dollar Tree either. Oh my God. Luisa. Oh. She got me the stylus. What the heck? Oh, there's gold in here. There's gold. There's gold glitter. Gold glitter. What the heck? What did I do to deserve this? Please tell me. Oh my gosh. She got me the clips. She got me the bow clips, guys. Okay, these are like gold at our Dollar Tree because every time they bring it in, it goes really fast. So Luisa makes gorgeous bows. Look at this dollar. You know this is Dollar Tree. They just left the glue. But that is gorgeous. What a great idea. And she uses them in her planner. And also the ones that she sells, she puts these on there as like page markers, or you know what I'm talking about. You planners know what I'm talking about. But the most important thing, this and this would have made my day. Yes, thank you very, very much. But all of this, what? What? Luisa. Luisa, oh my God, Luisa, thank you. Your heart is just so big. I really appreciate it. I would have bought all of this from your D-stash, girl. Oh my gosh. But I greatly appreciate you for doing all of this, surprising me. What? You guys, please go check her out. My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube, and Kitty Scrap Post on Instagram, and My Crafty Boutique Facebook group. She has a group, and if you're interested, you got to join. You got to answer some questions. It's not a quiz. It's just real easy. And if you're serious about crafting, go check her out. She inspires me every single time. So thank you all for watching. Thank you, Luisa, for all your wonderful gifts. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say, girl. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Love you guys. Bye.